Good morning, children. Today we are going to see construction of a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. We can construct the parallelogram with the given four measurements. First one, two adjacent sides and one angles are given. And the second one, two adjacent sides and one diagonals are given. And the third type to construct the parallelogram is two diagonals and one included angles are given. And the fourth one is one side, one diagonal and one angles are given. Using these ways, we can construct a parallelogram. Today, we are going to see how to construct a parallelogram by given measurements, that is from 1 and 2. Two adjacent sides and one angle and two adjacent sides and one diagonal from exercise 5.5. First sum, construct the following parallelogram with the given measurements and find the area. First sum, ARTS, where AR equal to 6 cm, RT equal to 5 cm and angle ART equal to 70 cm, 70 degree. First you have to draw the rough diagram. After drawing the parallelogram, you have to write the given measurements, that is AR is given as 6 cm and RT is given as 5 cm and the angle ART is equal to 70 degree. You have to write the given measurements in the rough diagram. After drawing the rough diagram, now we are moving to construct a parallelogram. First, you have to draw the base. Base is given as AR equal to 6 cm. So, you have to draw the base AR equal to 6 cm. And the next, they are given the angle, that is ART is equal to 70 degree. So, you have to keep the protractor at R. The middle letter will represent the angle. Therefore, ART, you have to keep the protractor at R. And the line is moving towards the left hand side. You have to count it from the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Mark the point. Then draw an angle ART is equal to 70 degree. Next, the given measurement is RT is given as 5 cm. So, you have to take 5 cm in your compass. And from R, you have to cut an arc of 5 cm. Then you have to mark the point as T. Here RT is 5 cm. The next, only we are having three measurements. But we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So, AR is equal to TS. These two sides are equal. So, AR is 6 cm means then from the distance from T to S is also 6 cm. So, you have to take a 6 cm in your compass and from T you have to cut an arc. Similarly, this side RT is equal to AS. Since these two are opposite sides, therefore RT and AS is equal to 5 cm. Again, you have to take 5 cm in your compass. From A, you have to cut an arc. The intersection point of these two arcs, we write it as S. Now you have to join ST and AS. Hence, we get the parallelogram ARTS. After constructing the parallelogram, you have to find out the height of this parallelogram. Since in the question they had asked it to find their area. We know that area of a parallelogram is base into height. So, you have to find out the height of the parallelogram. In the previous class itself, we learned how to find the height of the parallelogram. You have to take the right angle set square. Keeping this on the line ST, you have to draw the height of the parallelogram and you have to mark the length of this parallelogram. Here the length of this parallelogram is height of this parallelogram is 4.7 cm. Using this height and base, you have to find out the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram ARTS is equal to base into height square units. Base is given as 6 cm. And the height we found it as 4.7 centimeters. So you have to multiply it and write the area of a parallelogram as 28.2 square centimeter. before calculating the area, but after constructing this parallelogram, you have to write the construction of this parallelogram, then you have to write the area of the parallelogram. Second sum, construct a parallelogram CAMP. CA equal to 6 cm, AP equal to 8 cm and CP equal to 5.5 cm. Here also first you have to draw the rough diagram. CAMP. After drawing the parallelogram, you have to mark the given measurement. CA is given as 6 cm, AP is given as 8 cm and CP is given as 5.5 cm. Here the two sides and one diagonals are given. Using this, we are going to construct a parallelogram. Here also first you have to draw the base CA of 6 cm. Then after drawing the base, the next measurement given as AP. AP is equal to 8 cm. So you have to take 8 cm in your compass. Then from A you have to cut an arc. Then the next given measurement is 5.5. So you have to take 5.5 in your compass. From C you have to cut an arc of 5.5 cm. The meeting point of these two arcs is named it as P. Now we get an triangle CAP with CA as a base and CP is the sides of a triangle 5.5 cm and AP is also another side of a triangle of 8 cm. Here also the next two sides are not given, but we know that in parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. Therefore CA is equal to MP, that is equal to 6 cm. The same way PC and AM are opposite sides. So therefore these two sides are equal. Here CP is given as 5.5 cm. Therefore AM is also equal to 5.5 cm. Using these measurements, you have to cut an arc from A and P. Then the intersection point of these two arcs is named it as M. Now we get the parallelogram CAMP. After constructing the parallelogram, you have to find out the height of the parallelogram. For that, you have to keep the set square in any one side of the parallelogram and you have to measure the height of this parallelogram. Using this height, you have to find out the area of a parallelogram CAMP, that is base into height square units. Base we had it as 6 cm and height of this parallelogram is 5.5 cm. When we multiply these two, we will get the area as 33 square centimeter. Thank you.